I'm just going to quickly show you how to set up a digital randomizer. I'm going to use wheelofnames.com. So if you go to that website, then you can choose your own list. So just say I had, for example, 2 blue socks, 2 red socks, and 2 black socks. Right. Then I can just use this to randomize it. So just say I wanted to pick a sock randomly out the drawer. I can just click. So that first one is a black sock. If you want it to be like you pick that sock out and you don't put it back in, then you can remove. Or if you want to be that you pick that one black sock out and put it in before you pick your second one, then we'll just click close and keep it in. So the chance of getting 2 black socks we can simulate by doing this twice, not taking the black sock out when we first do it. If you want that sock to be removed, then when you spin it, now I've removed it, there's only 1 blue sock left. So I've put that first sock on. Right, just a couple of hints. If you want to make that not take so long, you can drag it down, make it spin for just 2 seconds. And that makes things go a lot quicker if you want.